Oh, fucking Jesus. Oh, God, that's so much better. Ooh. Oh. I've got none left. Looks like I have to go get some more. Uno segundo. Oh. Ow. Ah. I got it. Excuse my randomness, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just fucking bored. Oh. Coke in a glass bottle is fuckloads better than Coke in a plastic bottle. I'll give you that tip. And as my mate Elias said, it's a lot more pure. Good word for it, man. Alright. What am I doing? I have no fucking idea. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. You can't even hear it, can ya? Or can you? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but oh well. I'm listening to Black Sabbath anyway. Fuck yeah. Gazing at his bass playing skills. Fuck yeah. Okay, and that's enough. My mate Mark saying how I can belch like a bloke. Well, I can. Hello. Ugh. Speaking of which. Nah, wait. Fucking lol. Damn it! And Robster is still busy. Mind you, his internet over there has been shonky, so I guess he's making up. No. Let me get it out in a minute. He's making the most of it. There you go. Finally, it's out. It's... My mouth is kind of dry. Maybe I should turn around. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I should turn around and speak back to my baby. And I don't mean maybe. Speak back to my baby. And I don't mean maybe. Sorry if my singing sounds a bit nasal, but I can't really sing too loud because, well, my mum's just out there and she's just got home from work, so she'll need a bit of peace and quiet. Yeah. in the game, comes the soul with the man, my baby. Oh yeah. I don't really want that. I got some lyrics wrong. Whoops. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I should turn around. I should totally learn that song on bass. That'd be awesome. Now I can film it to you guys. Wouldn't that be awesome? Alright. Aw, man. Daddy's still busy. Yeah, he'll get online when he gets online. It's all good. One more for the road. Actually, we'll have another one coming up very shortly. Nah, fuck it. That'll do. Alright. Oh, shit. I got some chores to do! My bad. Oh, fuck.